Did you know the greatest love story in science began with a woman who was turned away from university because of her gender? In 1894, Marie met Pierre Curie over their shared obsession with a mysterious force called radioactivity. Their courtship wasn't flowers and chocolates, but passionate letters about scientific discoveries. They worked together in a freezing shed, discovering radium while falling deeper in love. When Pierre proposed, he said their love was like the elements they studied, powerful and eternal. In 1903, they became the ultimate power couple, winning the Nobel Prize together. But their fairy tale shattered in 1906, when Pierre was killed by a horse-drawn wagon on a Paris street. Marie's grief was overwhelming. She wrote in her diary directly to him, as if he could still hear her. She took over his university position, becoming France's first female professor. The most heartbreaking detail, she kept his blood-stained lab coat in their bedroom for 28 years, until her own death. True love never dies, it just transforms.